Hey guys, I'm super excited for the CSSConf which is happening tomorrow, and now it's the opening party. I'm meeting there. I'm gonna get my badges. So tomorrow around 6 p.m. is my talk. It's scheduled in the evening. Well, it's okay still, and it's as exciting as every time for me. And then the conference is gonna continue for 3 days, which is Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Well, no weekend, but I think it's gonna be super excited. And the opening party has been very successful for me last year, and it's a good opportunity to make a lot of friends and a good connection. This time it's a plus point for me. It's because I can get to meet a lot of speakers, because there is a little early entry for all the speakers, and then I just get to meet all the speakers across the globe. And Hey guys, so I'm at the opening party, and yes, I just got my badges, and this is for the CSSConf, and also I got for the JSConf. So this is for the JS. It's muddy a little bit. Yeah, so I got my badges. I met Amber right now. I keep meeting her all the time. She's been cool buddies for a while. Also I met some people from San Francisco, and some of the speakers as well. So it's time to network more. So I got to switch off my camera. Bye. So here I am with my CSSConf review. I had a pretty great day today. As I'm Indian, I was a little late to the first event. I first talk in the morning, and I almost missed it. But well, I came and covered up and attended all other talks. And since I had my talk in the evening, it was kind of on and off. I was keep on switching to the BIPOCIT space, and also to jump between the other speeches. But overall, my day was super fantastic. I think the feeling of you being a speaker is to the next level. Doesn't matter you give a 5-minute or 20-minute slot. Even though I was not speaking on the main stage, I was speaking on the BIPOCIT space. But I so love the experience. Also, CSSConf have been like a family for me, and last year also I was at the event, and then this year as well, and I got suggestions and feedbacks from really good techies and whom I follow on Twitter, and it feels like when they see and say, "You hey Priyanka," then I feel so special. And yeah, the experience has been so great for me. My talk went so great, but as always, I run faster, even the way I'm talking now. Yeah, I just got to get a little slower, but otherwise it was fantastic, and our audience liked it. And yeah, BIPOCIT space and the people were so friendly, man. Yeah, I really felt like friends. Also, there thanks to her for being so kind and giving me such a great opportunity. Otherwise, coming on to talks, I think because I had a talk, I didn't pay so much attention to other talks, or it was kind of rushy. So I think my favorite talks have been one which was on the dev tools, was really good. And then also it was interesting to know how dev was back then in 1999, and using frame sets and tables and fonts was amazing. Otherwise, it was also good to know how the Houdini CSS does some magic. So yeah, it was amazing, and I love the food, and I love the atmosphere, and everybody loved my jacket. So that's how my day at CSSConf went today. Hopefully I get and concentrate more on the content tomorrow, and yeah, there are really interesting speakers coming up with really good topics, so stay tuned for tomorrow. I hopefully try to cover up tomorrow and day after as well. And for now, I'm enjoying this it's really beautiful session with the nice music, and also just beside the street and this pool. I still wanted to come here. So yeah, so that's all for now, and stay tuned for again. And my day 2 at conference has been super fantastic at networking. I met super cool guys in the morning and got to know all about how Google is working towards accessibility, and I think it's adding an alt tag just based on the images, which is fantastic. I had a nice session with a guy who has and is working on his community, and also it was a great talk to how to form your community. So that was super inspiring and good for me, especially to kickstart CodeCouch once again. And later on in the evening, I think it was awesome talk by Stefan again on HTTP headers. Maybe I should start looking into it so soon. And in the evening, I really like the talk on AR technologies. Also, things to keep in mind is Google is also taking care of accessibility even at AR level. So it's amazing to see. I think more than anything else for me is the energy that whole conference gives. For example, like it's kind of a time to celebrate our everyday work. Like we just go to office and keep working, but I think it's a time for celebration, and I think it's kind of energy and inspiration we get out of events like this. So I'm really enjoying it more than anything else. So stay tuned for more. This is Priyanka from CodeCouch, and thank you so much for listening once again. A quick update from my third day of the conference. Today again I had a great day as usual, and I got to listen to a lot of talks on JS, right from its history to its training features, and also learning in a simple way and learning JavaScript in 2019, everything. I think it's a high time for me to learn more JavaScript and dig into all its features. Otherwise, I listened to a lot of talks on team empathy, and also great stories and on gratitude really inspired me a lot. And yeah, and otherwise I had a chilled and great time, and thank you so much CSS and JSConf for giving me an opportunity to speak at the conference, and also learn from a lot of other stories. So that's all for now. Ciao.